At Taurus Tech, we do a couple of things. Number one, there's a lot of different certifications that are required in New York City, especially. It's probably the most out of all of the states in the United States. There are by far a lot more certifications in New York than any other. So the FDNY has over 106 different certification exams, licensure if you want to work in different capacities. Then you have DCAS if you want to work in certain capacities, licenses. So we prepare people for a lot of those things. And in addition to that, what I started to realize was there's a difference between the theoretical and the practical. You have to have the hands-on experience to kind of go along with that. Now, on the HVAC side, HVAC is not specifically structural, or if it is structural, it's not like supporting the heavy weight load. It might be something like duct work where you're doing sheet metal fabrication, but then beyond that you have brazing for refrigerant piping, you have soldering for water piping, but beyond that, another thing that you have to take into consideration right now is that a lot of facilities right now are going away from what they can call hot work. So there's a lot of things that go into effect if you're going to do any type of hot work inside of a facility. So like a building like this, you have sprinklers, you have smoke detectors. You'd have to take some of those systems offline before you'd actually be able to do some of those things inside of a facility. There's certain torch operator certifications that students need to have. There's certain OSHA safety courses that maybe they should be aware of. In addition to being able to perform all those different types of hot work, and it's not just the welding, it's also the grinding. If you're using an angle grinder, you can create sparks. Quite frankly, the fire that just took place in Notre Dame was probably from people working inside of that facility and not taking proper safety precautions. So the real world practical experience, by far the greatest aspect of that is the learning the safety precautions that are required and the diligence that you have to pay attention to everything that you're doing, because there are many instances. We also teach something called fire life safety director, which is required in New York City commercial buildings, and there are many instances of buildings coming up in flames because of the people that are working in there.